There's this awesome creative energy that's great for Jacksonville. It adds to that community flair and flavor. There's arts, creativity. As far as music goes, there are a bunch of people contributing and doing their things. I encourage people to have fun. I don't care who you are. I feel like music is a direct connection to your spirit. As big as we are, the biggest landmass city in the continental U.S., Jacksonville still has a small town feeling. The beach is relaxed and calm and carefree. And then, you go to Riverside and people are driven by art. No matter how far I go from it, Jacksonville is home to me.